Thank you for completing course 20765, Provisioning SQL Databases. In this course, you should have learned the components that make up a SQL Server, how to deploy SQL servers, how to upgrade and migrate SQL servers, side-by-side migrations, in-place upgrades. You should have learned how the database environment works. You should have learned how databases are created, how data storage is implemented in a SQL environment. You should have learned how to manage the data files, how to implement the data files, how to move the data files in the SQL environment. And then you should have learned the processes for, first, how SQL Server databases can be implemented in Azure, the different options that are available for implementing SQL in the Azure environment, both Azure SQL databases and Azure virtual machines running SQL Server. You should have learned the process for how to migrate databases from on-premise environments, the options that are available for migrating databases from an on-premise environment to the Azure environment. You should have learned how to deploy Azure SQL databases. You should have learned how to deploy Azure SQL virtual machines, and then how to implement some of the security methods and mechanisms that are available in Azure virtual machines and Azure SQL databases, as well as how to automate certain tasks. We hope you enjoyed the class. We hope to see you in a future class.